Hi, today we will be talking about NEET 2024 and all the controversies, all the latest news about it. NTA conducted the single largest medical entrance exam, NEET UG 2024, on May 5th for over 24 lakh aspirants. The rumors of NEET paper leak started circulating on social media days and weeks before the exam. However, NTA dismisses all the claims and it conducted their exam as per the schedule. However, NEET UG 2024 result date coinciding with the 18th Lok Sabha election result triggered more suspicions. Later, the unexpected number of All India Rank 1 created more questions. Although NTA clarifies about the grace mark given to 1563 students for their loss of time during the exam, it was not well accepted by the students and the parents. After multiple petitions were filed in Supreme Court and other high courts, a vacation bench heard the case and asked NTA about the matter. And in the next hearing, it asked NTA to cancel all the grace marks given to those 1563 students. Later, the decision to conduct a re-exam for those 1563 students were taken. The exam is supposed to held on 23rd of June and the results are going to come out on 30th of June. Students will be getting their admit card in their mail IDs by 20th of June. Now, if we briefly summarize, NTA will hold the retest only for 1563 students who were given the grace marks. The exam will happen on 23rd of June between 2 to 5:20 p.m. Students will not have to re-register for giving the exam. The NEET admit card for retest is expected to be issued on 20th of June. The NEET retest results will be out on 30th of June on the official website of NTA. The NEET rank and scorecard issued on 4th of June 2024 will be null and void. NEET Hall Ticket 2024 will be issued to all the 1563 students. In case the student failed to appear for the retest, the original mark apart from the grace mark will be considered final. After the result of retest, the Medical Council Committee MCC will conduct the NEET UG counselling, which is likely to happen after 6th of July. For rest, all of the students who are qualified and are looking for moving ahead with their counselling process need not worry. For more details regarding NEET and your college predictions, comment NEET UG predictor and we shall help you with your college predictions. Thank you.